Want an inexpensive way to print marketing materials for your business or your scrunchie packaging? Stay tuned and I'll show you something cool that I have done. See you in a moment. Hey girl, hey, and welcome back to OMG Scrunchie Club. I am the Scrunchie creator, Lamiel, and for those of you that are new, welcome to the club. So, I'm not rocking an OMG Scrunchie Club look today, so let's just get into the video. Today's video is on marketing materials. So, whenever I ship out my scrunchies or hair bows for my hair bow business, I like to insert a postcard. Maybe it's a thank you card, or sometimes there's a card that has a coupon on it, or both. But today I'm going to share with you some ways that you can do this, and I will start with what is the most expensive way for me to do it all the way down to the cheapest way. So the first way I do it or have done it is with not Canva. I create in Canva, but I get Vistaprint to print the cards for me. So first I go to Canva, make the design, and then I send it on to Vistaprint. And here are the promotional cards examples. So these are color on the front and color on the back. I decided to go with glossy on one side and just a matte color side on the other side. So with Vistaprint, based off of the size of the postcard that you get, the color on the front, if you want it gloss or matte, and on the back you have the option of going grayscale, which is black and white. You can keep it white, which is plain blank side of a card, or you can go with color. So the color costs more, the grayscale is a little bit cheaper, but the white back side of the card is free, of course. So that is the most expensive route that I go with when getting postcards made or marketing cards. The second route that I do is a DIY, where I just do everything at home. I print it myself, so I still go to Canva, create my design, but this time I used postcard paper or cardstock paper from Hobby Lobby, and I just print my design on it on my printer. That's the front, this is the back, and I have a postcard. The only downside to that is that you're using your computer or printer ink, so you may have to buy more ink depending on how many cards you print out. But there is a new way, and I'm going to share it with you right now. What you want to do first is go into Canva, make your postcard size. I decided to stick with the 4x6. So I created my postcard in Canva, 4x6 size, and then I went to CVS.com. Yes, that's right. The drugstore is going to help you with your marketing materials. Well, they're not going to help you. They're just going to print it for you. So what you want to do is go to CVS.com, go to the photo section of the website, and upload your image based off of the options that they have there. So I decided to go with the same day print, which only took 1 hour, or takes an hour to do. So I uploaded the picture here, and I just picked the quantity that I wanted. I wanted to do 10 just to try it out to see how it works. And sometimes CVS has a coupon, and today they had a coupon. So all of my prints were 50% off. So instead of paying their 37 cents per print, instead of paying $3.70, I ended up paying $2.33 just for 10 postcards, or 10 insert cards. That's what we're going to call them, 10 insert cards. So that was roughly 23 cents a card. So I'm going to go ahead and go pick those up, and when I get back, we will do a reveal together to see if it was worth it or not. So let me be the guinea pig to let you know whether or not you should spend money getting these cards made at CVS. So I will see you in a moment. Okay, I'm back. I know that was really quick. I went to CVS like that. Okay, but I have the envelope here. And as you saw in the video, I went to CVS to pick them up. So I didn't open them in the car. I wanted to open them on camera with you. So they stapled it for me. And let's see the grand reveal. And I will be sure maybe to angle the camera a different way so that you can see what this looks like. Okay, so after I brought these cards home today, I have a sample of what I submitted. I was like, oh man, I should have used this card, this picture with me on it just to see how it prints me. But I'll do that next time if I decide to stick with this route. Okay, so here is the card. Or picture. Okay, so it looks pretty good. It just looks like the letters or words are very close to the edge right here. So I don't know if that was an error on my part or if it's an error on CVS's part. I don't know. But I have, oh, I said the cards that I got from Hobby Library were 4x6. That's not true. They're 4.5 by 6.5. I just measured it with this 4x6 card here. So, my thoughts. It looks pretty good. I'm glad I didn't spend a lot of money on it. I may just need to shift my print over if I do this again in Canva. I didn't even think to look at it in the CVS website just to make sure it wasn't close to the edge. So that could be a mistake on my part. The back side, it just says Kodak Moment. So it's just a plain back side here. But for the cost, I would say I would do it again. Hey, I forgot to mention one of the negative things that I did discover when using the CVS photo cards is that you can't print anything on the back side. So the only side that you can have some type of marketing information is on the front. So you can either add multiple cards or maybe you can glue or tape them together. Just thought I would share that with you. The reason I would say I give it 2 thumbs up, the reason I would give it 2 thumbs up is because it is marketing material. The customer is going to look at it. They're either going to keep it if it's a coupon or just throw it away because hopefully you have a lot of customers that continue to come to you and they'll just be getting the same thing over and over. So you don't want to spend too much money on something that they're likely to throw in the trash anyway. So I give this 2 thumbs up because when I do it at home, I have to spend money on my computer printer, my printer ink. Whereas when I send it to CVS, I just have to spend maybe 25 cents in gas just to get there. So I hope this video has been helpful and informative to you. If anyone has any suggestions or other ideas that you want me to try as far as marketing materials, do let me know. I do have another video coming up talking about packaging or packages. Packaging, I think that's correct. That you could use for your business. And I will share that in an upcoming video soon. I have it done, but I have to edit it, so just bear with me. But thank you so much for watching, and if you haven't liked and subscribed, please do so and leave some comments in the comment section. I hope that you all have a great day, and don't forget to get your scrunchies from omgscrunchieclub.com. See you next time. Bye-bye.